How many videos have you watched that tell you that trading can be life-changing? And it's true, it can be. However, the reality is that only very few actually make it. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down one key component that you can change in your trading game that's going to help you elevate your success and keep you in the game for the long term. Okay, so let's get one thing straight. Achieving success in trading for the long term is going to drastically change your life. That's 100% certain. However, to make it in this game, you have to be extremely disciplined, and you have to focus on the right things. Most people think when they hit some form of losses that it's their risk management, it's emotions. Yes, they play a big part in your success. However, one key thing that most beginner traders get wrong is execution. Okay, the analysis is correct, the trading game plan is correct, however the execution is completely wrong. Execution is one of the most important things in trading. It's one of the most difficult things in trading. In this video, I'm going to be breaking that down. I'm going to be trying to explain to you how you can perform better at execution, how you can fix that and become a better trader for the long term. If as a trader you can get your execution correct, you're going to see massive increase in your win rate. It's going to keep you in the game for a lot longer. You're going to find success. Execution is very key. People miss this and I'm like, wow, it's crazy. The people are not executing correctly. They're executing either too early or they're executing too late. And when that happens, because the margins are so small when you're day trading, if you get the execution incorrect, it's going to be difficult to get your profit target, because when you're trying to make a target for profit, you're looking for a 2-to-1 return on your investment, and that's difficult to achieve if your execution is wrong. So let's dive straight into here. Okay, I'm going to give you a few examples of what I mean by that. Okay, so for example, you can see on the chart here, okay, I have identified a resistance zone. Okay, this is a supply zone. I'm looking to short this. We've got one touch, we've got 2 touch of resistance. I'm looking for another touch into this supply zone, and then I'm looking to take a short trade off it. Okay, I wouldn't have taken it on this one. Okay, I'd be looking for another retrace that doesn't surpass this high. I'll be looking to take a short trade based on a retrace into here. Okay, if I saw too much strength, okay, if I saw massive volume going into here, I would not be looking to take a short trade. Okay, because that means the bulls are pushing, the supply zone is getting weaker, this is a no-go zone. Okay, this is how you differentiate and you must have a trading game plan. Okay, go and watch the video. We did a video on how to go about developing a trading game plan. You want to go watch that, or shows you step by step on how you go about developing this. But once you have that, we've got some beginner strategies as well. If you want to learn those, we'll link those in the description. If you like what you see, hit subscribe as well, please, guys. It does wonders for the YouTube algorithm, and we would very much appreciate that. Okay, anyways, so the theory behind this is we're looking for a retrace, a weak retrace into this that doesn't surpass this high, and we're looking to take a short trade. Okay, so what most traders would do is they would look for a rejection candle. So you got a high here. Okay, most day traders wouldn't take this. Okay, they will be looking for a confirmation, and confirmation would be on this candle. So they would take their trade around this level here. Okay, now let me show you what happens if you take the trade around this level. Okay, you wait for this candle to close, you take the trade on this move here. Okay, so look at this now. All right, let's move this down. Okay, this is the tool that we use for calculating risk to reward. Your stop would be above the highs. Okay, and you'd be looking to take, if you're taking a 2 to 1 on this, you'd be looking to take this down to around here. It would be beyond this low. Okay. So if you took it here, you'd be looking to get out around this level here. All right. And as you can see, what happened is the price only got to this level, reversed. You would have been stopped out. Okay. That's execution. This is the mistake I see a lot of traders taking. Okay. Now look at this. If we took the trade, if we got aggressive and we took the trade on this retrace up, okay, we took it here and we got out. We won a 2 to 1. Okay, we would have been out here before the actual low. Okay, we would have been out here. We would have got a win on this trade. All right, you see how much difference execution can make. Another way of doing it is you can use a fib tool. Okay, you can wait. So you can pull a fib from here to the bottom, and you can wait for the golden pocket. Okay, as soon as it gets into the golden pocket, you can, or anywhere along the 786 or the 89. If it gets to the 89, I kind of don't want to be taking a trade there, to be honest with you. Okay, I'll be pushing a little bit too far in. But sometimes, you know, if you're trading order flow and you can see the live orders coming into the market, then you can still take this. But I'd be looking for a golden pocket. That's usually a great area to be taking your trade upon a retracement. Okay, so you pull a fib from this high to the low, and you'll be looking for the retrace into the golden pocket, stop above the highs, and you take it down. And there's your exit right here. Okay, you won the trade. If you took the execution here, which I see most traders taking because they're waiting for confirmations, you would have got stopped out. Okay, a winning trade into a loss. Okay, but we want to turn losing trades into winning trades, and this is how you do it. You got to be able to execute. Okay, it's one of the hardest things in trading. I found this very, very difficult when I was starting trading, is execution. Okay, let me give you another example. This time on a long trade. Okay, so I've identified this as a supply zone. Okay, so let's have a look at this. So let's see. This is a supply, a demand zone, sorry. Okay, so price comes into here. Price comes into here. It comes back. Okay, as you can see, it comes back here. Right? There's your trade. Okay. If you took it anywhere on this, okay, you would have got 0.9 risk to reward. If you took it on this retracement, you would have got a 2.46 risk to reward. If you took it to see a confirmation on here, anywhere aside from a retracement, we always wait for a retracement. Okay, so once we have a move off of the demand zone, I look for a retracement. Okay, so this one again almost comes to the golden pocket and moves higher. All right, you don't have to exactly wait for a golden pocket, but that's generally a good place to take a trade from, is the golden pocket. This doesn't quite reach the golden pocket, but you get the idea. Okay, if you took the long from here because you're waiting for confirmation, okay, so you got two bullish candles, you saw this and you took it up here. If you took it up there, you would have got stopped out. Okay, because this falls further down. All right, so you can see quite clearly that in day trading, the margins are very, very small. You have to be very, very good at executions. Okay, if you're bad at executing, you're going to lose more than you win. And that's a big problem amongst beginner traders. This is going to take some practice. But generally speaking, you don't want to get overly aggressive because you do not know if this demand zone is going to hold. Okay, so you don't want to be overly aggressive because this can just shoot straight through the demand zone and keep tanking down. Okay, so you don't want to be too aggressive on this. You want to wait until we find support and a retracement back in. Keep your stop relatively small. You want to keep your stop small. Target 1.8 to 2 risk to reward. And you're going to find a lot more success this way. Okay, a lot of people struggle with execution. Watch this video over and over again. Practice execution. Okay, go back test this. You will see if you get the execution wrong, you're going to get stopped out on most occasions. If you can get your execution right, you're going to win a lot more trades than you lose. Alright guys, so I hope that you guys took something from the video. Remember, trading is a long-term game. You must have a lot of things knuckled down. You gotta be very, very ruthless in trading. You gotta have every aspect of trading at perfection level. Okay, you want your trading psychology, your discipline, risk management, having a trading game plan, execution, all these things need to be spot on if you want to make it in this game for the long term. But we are here to help beginners, people who are starting, to get started, to start off successfully, because most people who do start give it 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and then they end up quitting. They think that trading is a gambling. But if you're watching these videos, you know that you need a structure to this if you want to be in this game for the long term. Anyways, I hope you took something from the video, guys. Leave some comments in the sections below what you're struggling with, what you want to watch next, what kind of videos you guys want to see. Leave them in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like, and we shall see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.